SB19 Dam for Simula at Wakas soon to be released. Here's a YouTube streaming guidelines. We have only a few more days before the release of SB19's newest single, Dam for Simula at Wakas. So here's a YouTube streaming guidelines. First, search for SB19's Dam music video on YouTube manually. Yes, kada open nyo ng YouTube app or any browser site, itype ng buo ang SB19 Dam music video. Second, volume should be 50% or higher. Third, set the video quality on 480p or higher. Fourth, leave a comment, mas maganda kung relevant sa music video. Fifth, play the whole music video bago pa man mag-like dito. Sixth, do not loop. Huwag panoorin ng paulit-ulit ang music video. Dapat ay may filler dito. Ibig sabihin, matapos niyong mapanood ang Dam music video, manood muna kayo ng ibang mga video sa YouTube na hindi sa SB19 YouTube channel kundi ng ibang mga channels tulad na lang ng SB19 brands o di kaya ng mahalimas solo YouTube channels. Watch one or two other videos from other channels bago bumalik at huwag kalimutang manually search SB19's Dam music video. Seventh, don't use VPN or incognito and don't block or skip the ads. 8. Read different articles about SB19's Dam na makikita nyo on social media platform like Facebook and X o di kaya i-search ito mismo sa Google or any browser. At kung may makikita kayong link on SB19's Dam music video ay i-click nyo na at panoorin. 9th, when you have multiple devices connected on the same Wi-Fi, huwag nyong pagsabayin sa pag-stream sa YouTube. Pwedeng one device for YouTube stream, the other for Spotify, iTunes or Apple Music. Pwede lang pagsabayin ang inyong mga devices for YouTube streaming kung ang isa ay connected sa Wi-Fi at ang isa naman ay sa mobile data. Different internet connections means different IP address. 11th, share the YouTube link on your social media platforms or send it to your families and friends. Remember that one of the best promotions is the word of mouth. Kaya ikalat natin ito sa ating mga kapamilya at kaibigan. Let's do this together, SB19 and 18.